Welcome back. Let's do exchange rates. What is an exchange rate? Right, an exchange rate is the value of one country's currency expressed in another country's currency. Right, when dealing with exchange rates, sometimes it is confusing. We don't know if we should multiply or divide. So I'm going to show you a very easy method that you have to use when you're dealing with exchange rates. That is cross multiplication. There are many methods that you can use, but I prefer cross multiplication because you will never go wrong. Okay, if you're going to follow these steps that I'm going to show you, you'll never go wrong when you're dealing with exchange rates. Let's look at this example. Given the exchange rate that $1 is equal to 18 rands 31 cents, how many rands will you get for $150? So what you do, we have dollars and rands. So you write the side for dollars and then the side for rands like that. So we're given that $1 is 18 rands 31 cents. And then what do we want to convert? We want to convert dollars. So you write them under the dollars. Okay, so we write under dollars like this, 150, and then underneath the rands, we don't know the value of rands, so we put X here. And then after that, cross multiply. You multiply 150 times 18,31 and then 1 times X. So it's going to be 1 times X, which is 1X, and then 150 and then times 18,31. When you're cross multiplying, just ignore the units. Okay, we know we're finding rands here, so it's going to be 150 times 18,31. We get 2,746,50. Know that money is always two decimal places. So that is that. Sometimes it is confusing to know if you are supposed to multiply or divide. So if you use cross multiplication, you will always get it right. Now we're converting 150 rands to dollars. Write your dollar this side and then write your rand side. Okay, so the rate is $1 to 18 rand 31 cents. Now we are given rands, we want dollars. Write the range you're given underneath the range. So it's 150, right? And then X dollars. Then cross multiply. You get 18,31 times X is equal to 150 times 1. Divide by 18,31 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to 150 divided by 18,31. We get 8,192,24475, meaning that 150 rands is equivalent to $8.19, like that. Let's look at two more examples. On the 2nd of December 2024, the following exchange rates applied. 1 rand is 0.40 Chinese yuan, and then 1 pound is 23 rand and 1 cent. How many pounds could you get from 1,500 yuan? So now we want pounds. So we can convert 1,500 yuan, Chinese yuan to rands using this rate. And then after that, we convert rands to pounds. So let's start by converting Chinese yuan to rands. So we have the rands, we have the yuan. It is 1 rand is 0.40 yuan. We have 1,500 yuan. So write it underneath the yuans and then X for rands. Then cross multiply. So we have 0.40 times X, which is 0.40x is equal to 1,500 times 1, which is 1,500. And then here we have to divide by 0.40 on both sides of the equation. So X is equal to 1,500 divided by 0.40. We get that X is equal to 3,750 rands. So now we have converted the Chinese yuan to rands. So now we need to convert these rands to British pounds. Okay, because we're supposed to convert yuans to pounds. So we have to move from Chinese yuan to rands and then rands to British pounds. We have the British pound and then we have the rands. Exchange rate is 1 British pound to 23 rand and 1 cent. We are converting rands to pounds, so we write 3,750 under the rands. So 3,750, and then we put x under pounds, and then we cross multiply. So it's 23,01 x is equal to 3,750 times 1, which is just 3,750. Then we divide by 23,01 on both sides of the equation. X is equal to 3,750 divided by 23,01. So x is equal to 162 pounds, 9726206. This is 162 pounds, 97, like that. That's the answer. Let's do the last example. In 2024, the laptop price was 494 euros. If this price was equivalent to 9,500 rands, determine the exchange rate for a euro in rands. So 1 euro is equivalent to how much in rands? So what do? We write these are the euros. 494 is equal to 9,500 rands. Then what do we do to get 1 euro? We have to divide by 494. We must also do the same this side, divide by 494. And then we get that 1 euro is equal to 9,500 divided by 494. We get 19 rand and 23 cents. But before rounding off, it was 230,76923. So meaning that 1 euro is equal to 19 rand and 23 cents.